Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. In case you don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They use an algorithm to help style you, plus the use of personal stylists. You pay them a $20 fee, you fill out a style profile. Anything you keep, that $20 fee gets applied to what you keep, so you don't lose that money. But if you don't keep anything, you're out that $20. Shipping is free both ways, so whatever you don't like, you can send back and you will not be charged. I've been doing this since 2018. When I originally got my Stitch Fix, I did not like anything what I got. But after about 2 or 3 times, I started getting styles and things that are really interesting to me. And it actually has helped fill things in my closet that I can't not find elsewhere. Over the years, Stitch Fix has had its up and down. They have a new CEO. Things were starting to look up for a while. I started seeing a lot new items in Stitch Fix Freestyle. I started getting excited again. But this past time, last couple of weeks, they stopped getting new items in. And in this box, I have to say, it's not very exciting. My stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style. I do have a couple things that I'm interested in, but unfortunately, I don't think they're going to be too exciting for you guys, but I'll show you in just a second. I have the Style Pass. It's up for renewal in July. We shall see if they renew me or not. My closet is exploding, and I really don't go for the 5 for 5. I really just look to add items that are unique, and I really just can't get too many other places. I also try and price check to make sure that I can't get the items in other places. So with further ado, I'll go through my fix. The first item that you do get a preview, and this time the algorithm did not style me at all in my preview. My preview went to my stylist to get styled, all right? So she gave me my preview, and out of my preview, there was just one thing I wanted, and that is this. I'll pull it out and show it to you. This is a bracelet. It is by Kendra Scott. It's braided and it's gold and silver combined. Let me explain this to you. It's sterling silver and 18 karat gold vermeil jewelry, all right? It does come with a little pouch. It's by Kendra Scott. It is adorable. I typically do not ask for bracelets or want bracelets because I have an extremely small wrist and they fall off of me. But when this came up in my preview, I have a necklace that's gold and silver and braided just like this. So, but it's not Kendra Scott, but I thought it would go perfectly with that necklace. And I saw that it had like an adjustable thing, and this is actually the perfect size for me. I will try it on for you. So to tell you a little bit more about this is the Kendra Scott Hayden chain bracelet in gold/silver, and it's $60. And I'm going to keep this item. This item is very cute. I don't own many bracelets other than pretty much the one I have on my wrist, and I really like this one, and it will go nicely with the necklace I already own, I believe. So I will show you guys that. So in my note, this is the only thing I kept from my preview. In my note, 2 things I suggested to her on the way back, because after you get that preview note, you can leave a little note. I said, well, a couple things. If you can't find anything from my wish list or anything from the original note, what I'm really looking for, too, would be like gold silver earrings to match that. So she did come through with that because I wanted combination earrings. So next up, and I'm not going to try these on for you because they're extremely heavy. Okay, so these are cute. They're definitely my style, and actually these were on my saved items list. These are heavy. I even pulled one of them out individually. So again, they're gold and silver hoops, and they're quite the statement, which I don't mind because you can see right now I'm wearing statement earrings, but these are not heavy. These are. So these are the Shashi circle drop earring in gold silver for $58. So I'm not going to try these on. These are going back. They're just way too heavy for my ears. My ears already have like were pierced too low on the side, and the slit is dangling and dragging already. I don't need anything to add to that. So I know for sure these are going back. They're cute earrings. If you can tolerate heavier earrings, I would recommend them. But for me, these are a no. Okay. The next item, which I told her she could send along, I wasn't specific, but I could use workout tanks for the gym. I know, not very exciting, but it's hot and I go to the gym every day and I just had to chuck a few. So she sent this one along. All right, this is the We Wander We Flex Lena Crop Performance Tank in black, size extra small, $35. I'll try it on for you guys to make sure it's a good fit. But this is pretty much what I wear to the gym in the summer. It's just a workout tank, and it says crop, but I don't think this is gonna be cropped on me, but I will try it on to be sure. Yeah, so it has, show you the back of it, so you can see the back. It has like an opening here in the back, and it's a tank style. So we'll try it on, make sure it fits, and it's only $35, so it's a keeper. If you know anything about workout tanks, they're not cheap. Even the ones I was getting from Amazon, they weren't cheap. All right, next two items. The Gilly Fitted Tee in green, extra small, $35. Not a bad price, all right? So here's the tee. It is a rib material. It feels very soft, almost like it's a knit, but when I feel it, it feels polyester-y to me, all right? This is 65% polyester, 27% rayon, 8% spandex, made in China, machine wash, cold, color separate, do not bleach, lay flat to dry, low iron on reverse if needed. So I love the color of this. This is very cute. I'm not fond of the material, particularly in summer, all right? If you have been watching my little outfit of the day, it's been hot, hot, hot here. Hot, hot, hot. And I cannot tolerate polyester in this kind of heat. I will do polyester in the spring, winter, fall. In this hot summer, the last thing I want in a t-shirt is a mostly polyester t-shirt. No. I'm looking for light and airy right now. So that's one thing I don't like about this top. Love the color, love the fact that it's ribbed, love that it's fitted. I also don't care for this high neckline. If I'm gonna do a high neckline, I want it to be like sleeveless or something like that to show a little bit more skin. But when it's this high of a neckline, yeah, I don't think so. Especially, I prefer a scoop or a V or something like that. But yeah, I'll try it on, but pretty much the answer is no. I just don't feel it's worth adding to my closet. Okay, the next item that she sent along is also Gilly. It's a Sarah sleeveless midi dress, which we all know I'm 5'2". It will probably be a maxi on me. And light blue is my favorite color. Extra small, $58. Well, what a great price. So it's like a knit maxi dress. This is very, very, very cute. If I had the type of body that would wear this, I don't think it's gonna look good on me. I think it's gonna stretch out here on my hips, but we'll see what it looks like. But again, it's polyester. So the inside lining right here is polyester. It's 100% polyester. I'll look to see what the outside is. I think it's like kind of the same mix of polyester. Let's see if I can find it for you. Polyester and rayon. It's in here somewhere because I read it out. Here it is. So this dress is 65% polyester, 32% cotton, 3% spandex. The lining is 100% polyester, and this one is a hand wash. Hand wash separately. Only non-chlorine bleach, pleated, dry, flat, warm item needed, made in Mexico, extra small. And, I wouldn't mind like a knit crochet dress, but I'm looking for more cotton. And definitely this long style typically doesn't look good on me due to my height. They're saying midi dress on me, it's maxi. I'll try all this on so you can get an idea. Just give me a minute. Okay, first item I have on is the dress. And this dress really doesn't flatter my figure that well, in my opinion. The bracelet too I have on, like I said, the bracelet is a keeper. This is the necklace I was talking about. They are slightly different because the necklace is actually Argento Vivo and the bracelet is Kendra Scott. But yeah, I think this goes well. And there's sometimes I just can't decide between gold and silver, so it works out well. The dress, standing back for the dress. Dresses like these, I think, accentuate my hips and my tummy. It's not my favorite style on me. This one isn't too bad. I've tried on others that were a lot worse. This one isn't too bad because it does have a little bit of a flare out. It has some forgiveness, but like you can see like every single panty line on me. I prefer dresses, if they're gonna be like this, have a little bit of ruching or something to hide some sins, but this one does not. And as you can see, it's almost a maxi on me. It comes maybe about 2 inches above my ankle, and I have it paired with a pair of Sam Edelman slides that are more of a neutral color, and this is how I would wear this in the summertime. But honestly, this dress, besides the fit and the style, it just has a little bit too much polyester for me, and I would think I would either want this like in an ivory, a black, or a more vibrant blue. This blue is kind of like, bleh. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on that tee or both tees for you. Up next is the workout tank, and I like this. This is exactly what I was looking for. So Shannon, if you're getting stuck with things for me in my future fixes, workout tops are always needed because they get gross after a while. I get pit stains, or my deodorant, this like makes them hard and crunchy in the armpits. They're gross. They go in the garbage. So I can always use a new workout top at an affordable price. And like I said, if you're going on Amazon and even buying them there, they're expensive. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. So it does have a high neck, but it's not high enough. Like I hate really high necks that will bother me while I'm running. This is enough far down that it's not going to come up here while I'm running. And it's long enough to cover my stomach. It comes right here at my hips, but not so long that it interferes where I'm running. I can't stand, because I'm short, I can't stand workout tops that are long, and when I'm running, it like I can feel it swishing back and forth. It's annoying. This is a pair of dark green Lululemon leggings I've had for years, and this is exactly what I'll probably be wearing to the gym tomorrow. I also like this because I hate workout tanks that you can see down my sides, and my gym is very hot, so tanks are what I wear now during the summer. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the t-shirt. Okay, up last is the Gilly t-shirt, and I do admit that this is a cute t-shirt. It does fit well. I do like it, but do I need it? No. And on top of that, with the material, I'm gonna have to pass because, like I said, during the summertime, the last thing I want is when it's really hot like this is polyester. I do wear polyester. Again, nothing against polyester, but I'm a 3-season polyester wearer, not this hot, humid summer weather polyester. So, even with the high neck, I don't really mind it that much. It's really not my favorite. So it does have the standard crew neck. I do think it fits well. For those that don't know, I'm, again, petite. I'm only 5'2". This is an extra small, and I feel it comes right to my hips. Also a good length on me. So yeah, this is my fix. So actually considering, even though there was absolutely, like, the workout tank was on my list that I do need workout tanks, not this particular one. She did well in picking this out. The bracelet was on my list, as were the earrings. The earrings ended up being a no, the bracelet a yes. And the other 2 items, there's nothing wrong with them. They're nice items. I just don't need them at this point. I think when I was probably first starting out, 2018, 2019, I would have kept them because the price was right and I needed clothes, but now I just don't need anything. So something that I add to my closet needs to be like really sparking joy to me. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. And one more thing to note, if you are interested in Stitch Fix, I do have my referral link always in my comments, but description box below. I list all my referral links. If you don't like me, I'm okay with that, but please find another YouTuber that you might like and trust and use their referral links, because it saves you money and it saves them money. With Stitch Fix, it's usually $25 off your first box, and for me, it would also be $25 off. And usually your first styling fee is waived with Stitch Fix. And one thing I forgot to mention too is if you do buy all 5 items in your box, you get 25% off. And again, this box, I'm not going to be doing that. Okay, take care, and until next time.